Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to HFBC channel. Today you are watching a very interesting crispy snack, Sabudana chivda. You require nylon Sabudana pearls of the larger variety. The regular Sabudana pearls won't work. You may even get them at your local grocery shop or Reliance stores. Those who are calorie conscious, please don't watch this video because this is totally deep fried recipe. Heat oil for deep frying in a kadai. Heat as much quantity in which the pearls can get immersed completely. Place the metal frying strainer with 2 to 3 tablespoons of sabudana pearls in the oil. Don't overcrowd as then the frying is not even. When the pearls come in contact with the hot oil, they will start puffing up. With a spoon, keep on turning them around so that they are fried evenly. Now fry raw peanuts the same way in the oil till they change color and become crunchy. Similarly, fry the cashews and raisins and putana or puffed chana dal. When frying the raisins, as soon as they puff off, remove them from oil. Here I am frying green chilies and red chilies together and curry leaves also. After frying each and every item all together, keep it aside. Now allow it to all the ingredients 2 to 3 minutes. Then add chili powder and salt to taste and little bit of turmeric powder. Then mix well. And here you go, your chivda is ready. You can store this mixture or sabdana chivda in airtight container till 8 to 10 days. Here I am telling once again, you require nylon sabudana pearls of the larger variety. The regular sabudana pearls won't work for this sabudana chivda. Serve this sabudana chivda as a snack during Navratri Vrat, Ekadasi, Gauri Vrat, Mahashivratri, etc. This sabudana chivda is very tasty and yummy and crunchy too. The children will love like anything, and also it melts like anything in the mouth. If you like this recipe, please do try this recipe and comment me in the comment section box below. If you are watching first time my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.